Hi everyone. If you're getting the message in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 that says new update available, please update the game via the launcher. Here's a quick fix that worked for me to force the update. First, go to your Steam library and right click on Call of Duty, then select Properties. In the General tab, find the language option. Now switch the language to something else like French or Spanish. Steam will detect an update for Call of Duty. Click Update and let it download. After the update finishes, switch your language back to English and click Update again. It might update a few more times, and once that's done, your game should be working normally again. If the problem still continues, try restarting your Steam or Battle.net launcher. To do this, open Task Manager, scroll down and end all processes for Steam, Steam Client Service, or Battle.net launcher. After ending those tasks, reopen your launcher and it should start updating automatically. Once that's done, your issue should be fixed. And that's it. That's how you fix the new update available error in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes.